Hello, buddies. So last video we saw about Koin actually. So I told like Koin have a modules. We'll see the modules in Koin in a separate video. So this video is about modules in Koin. Okay. So what are the modules in Koin and how we can use that? How it is different. Okay. So we have a major four module, three modules. It's like so. This one is not there. Okay. Major three modules. Single is used for single instance. It's like singleton class, the class which needs to hold uh, create only one instance throughout the application for the whole time, means that is singleton class. Factory is like it will create a new instance every time, which means whenever it recurs, whenever we are going to use the factory, that time only it will create a new instance. So it won't hold the specific memory or specific data for that one. So it will be like uh, it won't have a memory space, and it is like memoryless, and memory leak also it won't have. So if we have it is very easy, it is very good to have the state which doesn't have that. It's like you can use for any util classes or any helper classes or any other use case classes, all those things we can use this ones. And view model is like it's like life cycle oriented classes. It's like which we want to use only for view models. It's like we are going to use this one is like oriented to life cycle. For example, the different moreover these two are same, factory and view model are same, but the thing major difference is this will have a life cycle oriented, that doesn't have life cycle oriented. So life cycle oriented means what type of life cycle means, it will like any configuration change or anything change means the view model should need to hold the data. At that time it is recreating means it will have an issue, right? So that's why it will hold the data. If any configuration change or any rotation change when we are changing portrait to landscape means it will hold the data. So that's how this will work. Okay. And another one thing is, so we have, so if you can see here, I have an implementation and repository separately. Okay. So I don't want to create the thing separately, singleton separately. I want to bind those two classes, means I can bind using single off. So inside single I have to give the implementation and main repo. So here I can't give like that. I have to bind this one, bind. Okay. Okay, so this means I am binding this implementation class to this repository. So the instance will come for this repository interface, and using this interface we can use the repository implementation class. Okay, so another type is like we can say do the same thing for this factory also. Factory off will be there. So using the factory off we can do the same binding method in factory and view model too. For everything we can do it. And this is the get. So get means I have a parameter in the fetch. So I have a parameter of this main repo in the fetch data use case. Okay, so I am giving gift. If you don't want to give this get, so everywhere I need to give get like that means you don't want to do this kind of thing. So what you can do is we can have this one, and we can do this like fetch use case. So it will automatically take all the parameter which that it needs to have. Okay, so same thing for a singleton. So we want to give the singleton off, and we can change with the specific thing. Okay, and we can do this binding method in a different way actually. It is like kind of we can interchange these two things actually. Factory of main repository, sorry, yeah, for implementation. Okay. Main repository, main repo implementation. Okay, not this one. Okay, yeah, so you can use like this also instead this one. Yeah, this one will work. Yeah, correct. What do you mean? Yeah, maybe single. Let's check. Okay, what is the issue? Single except not enough information in the type T. Main. Okay, this one don't have. Yeah. Okay, so this is fine. So we can use, this is kind of this factory, the same binding I am doing this way. So there is a lot of other ways also we can do the same process. So this one and this one is same, this bind and this one is same, and these two are same. You can implement either that way or this way, and this one also you can implement either that way or this way. Okay, and view model also will have view model off, and you don't want to give this get view model off, and you don't want to give the get. We just need to add main view model, that's it. Okay, so if we are going to add this one, it is fine. So bind is like overall. This is the Koin modules, and what are the uses of Koin modules, what is the difference between single, factory and view model. Okay, yeah, thank you.